She was heading inside when a man suddenly ran up, holding a machete, trying to break in. Luckily, she made it inside and shut the door just in time. But when the intruder noticed the ring camera, he used what little sense he had left and did the most logical thing. He smashed the camera and ran, only to be caught by the cops just minutes later.
As you see from that video, things can go bad very quickly. Here's a practical rundown broken into the sequence of arriving home to increase your safety as much as possible. Before you even pull in to the driveway, stay alert on the approach, circle the block if something feels off, have your keys out and ready before you park. Call or text someone you trust to say you're pulling in, especially if it's late. Stay on the phone with them until you're safely inside the house. Park facing out if possible. Do a quick scan through the windows before you open the door. Don't linger in the car checking your phone once you've parked. That's prime opportunity for someone to approach unnoticed. Get your things together and then move. Lock the car immediately after exiting and walk with purpose toward the door. Not distracted, phone down, head up. Approaching the house, look at the house itself before you reach it. Are lights on where they should be? Is a door or window open that you left closed? Is anything disturbed? Does anything look off? Check the exterior lighting. If a motion light or porch light is out and wasn't out before, treat that as a red flag. Have your phone accessible, not buried in your pocket or your purse. When you enter the house, unlock and go in one motion. Don't stand on the doorstep fumbling for your keys or your belongings. Once inside, lock the door immediately behind you before doing anything else. Do a quick visual sweep of the immediate space. If anything looks wrong before you go in, do not go inside. Go back to your car, leave the property, and call the police. Once inside, turn on lights as you move through the house. Text your friend, "I'm home safe." If you live alone and something feels off, but you can't pinpoint why, trust that instinct. It's fine to step back outside, sit in a locked car, and call someone rather than push through the discomfort. Keep a spare key with a trusted neighbor rather than under a mat or planter. If you can, get a video doorbell or simple camera. Being able to check the porch from your phone before you even reach the driveway removes a lot of guesswork.